Imagine building a professional website in just a few minutes without writing a single line of code. That's exactly what UniBuilder AI promises. According to the creators, it can generate complete websites using AI, recreate layouts for inspiration, and help you launch business websites, affiliate sites, blogs, and landing pages much faster than traditional methods. But here's the big question. Can it actually replace WordPress? WordPress has been the world's most popular website platform for years, powering millions of websites, from personal blogs to major online businesses. So, is UniBuilder AI genuinely a better choice for beginners, or is WordPress still the king? In today's video, I'm comparing UniBuilder AI versus WordPress side by side. We'll look at ease of use, website quality, AI features, customization, SEO, pricing, performance, and who each platform is really best for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. Let's get started. UniBuilder AI is a cloud-based AI website builder designed to simplify website creation. Instead of building every page manually, you describe what you want, and the AI generates a website layout along with content and design suggestions. The platform is aimed at users who want to create websites quickly without learning coding or web design. The product is marketed toward beginners, affiliate marketers, freelancers, local businesses, coaches, and anyone who wants a faster way to get a website online. Because it's cloud-based, you simply log in through your browser and start building. There's no software to install or configure. Now let's look at WordPress. WordPress is an open-source content management system that powers a large portion of websites across the internet. Unlike UniBuilder AI, WordPress isn't a dedicated AI website builder. It's a highly flexible platform where you choose your hosting, install themes, add plugins, and customize almost every aspect of your website. That flexibility is one of its biggest strengths, but it also means there's more to learn. Whether you're building a blog, portfolio, online store, business website, or membership site, WordPress can handle it with the right setup. When you first look at these two platforms, they target different audiences. UniBuilder AI focuses on simplicity. The goal is to help users go from idea to published website as quickly as possible using AI assistance. WordPress focuses on flexibility. It gives you far more control, but also requires more setup and ongoing maintenance. So right from the start, your choice depends on whether you value speed or customization. Let's begin with setup. With UniBuilder AI, you typically log in, choose how you want to create your website, provide a prompt or starting point, and let the AI generate a draft. You don't need to think about installing themes or configuring plugins before you begin. With WordPress, the process usually involves purchasing hosting, connecting a domain, installing WordPress, choosing a theme, and deciding which plugins to use. Many hosting companies simplify this process, but it's still more involved than using a dedicated AI builder. If you're completely new to website creation, UniBuilder AI is likely to feel much more approachable. This leads us to the learning curve. UniBuilder AI is designed to minimize technical barriers. The interface guides you through the process, making it easier for beginners to get started. WordPress has improved over the years, but it still takes time to learn concepts like themes, plugins, menus, widgets, updates, and backups. Once you become comfortable with WordPress, it's incredibly powerful. But getting to that point requires more effort. This is where UniBuilder AI tries to separate itself. The platform centers its workflow around AI-assisted website creation. Depending on the available features, AI can help generate layouts, headings, sections, and page content, giving you a solid starting point much faster than building from scratch. WordPress doesn't include built-in AI website generation. However, you can add AI through plugins or external tools, which gives you flexibility but also requires additional setup. If your priority is having AI integrated into the website building process from the beginning, UniBuilder AI offers a more streamlined experience. Now let's talk about design. UniBuilder AI helps you create a professional-looking layout quickly, and you can customize elements after the AI generates the initial version. This is great for users who want to save time. WordPress, on the other hand, offers almost unlimited customization. You can choose from thousands of themes and use page builders to create highly personalized designs. If you're willing to invest the time, WordPress gives you much greater creative freedom. So the question becomes, do you want maximum control or maximum convenience? Templates play a huge role in website creation. WordPress has one of the largest ecosystems of themes available, covering virtually every niche you can imagine. UniBuilder AI instead emphasizes AI-generated layouts and built-in templates, allowing you to start with a design that's tailored to your prompt. For someone who doesn't want to spend hours comparing themes, this can make the process much faster. Writing website copy is another task that often slows people down. UniBuilder AI includes AI-assisted content generation to help produce headlines, paragraphs, and calls to action. This can speed up the creation of a first draft. WordPress doesn't include this functionality by default, but you can integrate AI writing tools if you choose. The difference is that UniBuilder AI aims to make AI part of the core workflow, while WordPress relies on additional tools for similar capabilities. Speed of building a website. If your goal is simply to get a website online quickly, UniBuilder AI has a clear advantage. The AI reduces the amount of manual work required to create a starting point. WordPress can also be fast in the hands of an experienced user, but beginners often spend more time learning the platform before reaching the same stage. So when it comes to getting from idea to a basic website as quickly as possible, UniBuilder AI is designed to streamline that process. Now let's look at the areas that really determine whether a website platform will work for you over the long term. One of the biggest questions people ask is, which platform is better for SEO? The truth is, no website builder automatically gets you to the top of Google. Search rankings depend on factors like high quality, original content, site speed, user experience, backlinks, search intent, technical SEO. WordPress has built a strong reputation for SEO because of its mature ecosystem. Plugins like Yoast SEO and Rank Math let you control titles, meta descriptions, XML sitemaps, redirects, schema markup, and more. UniBuilder AI may include built-in SEO tools that help beginners create search-friendly pages more easily. However, AI-generated content should always be reviewed and personalized before publishing to improve quality and originality. If you're an advanced SEO professional, WordPress generally offers more control. If you're new to SEO and want a simpler workflow, UniBuilder AI may feel less overwhelming. Website speed is important because it affects both user experience and search visibility. With WordPress, speed depends on your hosting, theme, plugins, image optimization, caching, and how well the site is configured. A well-optimized WordPress website can perform extremely well. UniBuilder AI simplifies much of the setup process by managing more of the technical side for you. That can make it easier for beginners to launch a reasonably optimized website without configuring multiple performance tools. No platform guarantees perfect speed, but cloud-based builders often reduce the amount of technical work required. This is one of WordPress's biggest strengths. Need an online store? Install WooCommerce. Need booking software? There are many options. Need memberships, forums, email marketing, analytics, or automation? WordPress has an enormous library of plugins covering almost every use case. UniBuilder AI focuses on an all-in-one experience. Depending on the included features, many common tasks are handled directly within the platform. That's excellent for simplicity. But if your project requires very specialized functionality, WordPress generally provides more flexibility. Building a website is only the beginning. Keeping it updated is equally important. With WordPress, you'll usually need to update WordPress itself, update themes, update plugins, create backups, monitor security. Ignoring maintenance can create compatibility or security issues. UniBuilder AI, being cloud-based, is designed to handle much of the platform maintenance behind the scenes. That can reduce the amount of technical responsibility for the user. For beginners who don't want to think about updates every week, that's a meaningful advantage. Let's talk about cost. WordPress software itself is free, but most websites still require a domain name, web hosting, premium themes, premium plugins, security or backup tools. These costs vary depending on your needs. UniBuilder AI is marketed with a one-time launch price for the core product, although optional upgrades may also be available. Before purchasing, compare the total cost of ownership, including any future upgrades or services you may need, to decide which option fits your budget. UniBuilder AI may be a good fit if you are completely new to website building, want an AI-assisted workflow, prefer a simpler setup, need to launch landing pages or business sites quickly, don't want to manage plugins and updates, value convenience over extensive customization. Who should choose WordPress? WordPress may be the better option if you want maximum design flexibility, plan to build large or complex websites, need advanced plugins and integrations, run an online store with specialized requirements, enjoy customizing every aspect of your website, are comfortable investing time in learning the platform. UniBuilder AI. Pros: beginner-friendly, AI-assisted website creation, faster setup, cloud-based, less technical maintenance, streamlined workflow. Cons: may offer less flexibility than a mature CMS. AI-generated output still benefits from human editing. Advanced users may outgrow its built-in features. WordPress. Pros: highly customizable, massive plugin ecosystem, excellent for blogging, strong SEO support, scales well for complex projects, large community and documentation. Cons: steeper learning curve, ongoing maintenance required, more setup decisions, can become complex if many plugins are installed. So, which platform wins? The answer depends on your goals. If you want to build websites quickly with AI assistance and keep the technical side as simple as possible, UniBuilder AI is an appealing option to consider. If you want complete control, deep customization, and a platform that can grow into almost any type of website, WordPress remains one of the strongest choices available. Rather than asking which platform is universally better, ask which one matches your experience, workflow, and long-term goals. If the AI-powered workflow, simplified setup, and cloud-based approach sound like what you're looking for, UniBuilder AI may be worth exploring. If you're interested, check the first link in the description for the latest pricing, available bonuses, and current launch details. As always, make your decision based on the features you need, not just marketing claims. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more honest AI software reviews, tutorials, and comparisons. If you've used UniBuilder AI or WordPress, let everyone know your experience in the comments. I always enjoy hearing real-world feedback from viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.